OnePlus Nord is now officially confirmed, as we know that it's been a very long time since this device started teasing, and today OnePlus finally revealed it on their new Instagram account. You can also watch that OnePlus Nord documentary episode from the link in the description. OnePlus confirmed that this Nord is now the new OnePlus smartphone series, not just a single smartphone. In the episode 1 of its documentary, OnePlus revealed a couple of details about the OnePlus Nord. So Pete Lau, who is the founder and CEO of OnePlus, said that OnePlus Nord is really an affordable device under $500. So we also do have a hint of pricing of this OnePlus Nord that is going to be under $500, and this will be the first ever OnePlus device with a price tag of under $500, and that's why OnePlus called this so affordable. OnePlus also confirmed that they will be selling this OnePlus Nord series first smartphone in just Europe and India for now, and even OnePlus will just launching 100 units of this OnePlus Nord tomorrow and will be available to buy tomorrow also. We have seen some affordable budget devices from OnePlus already in past, like OnePlus X and OnePlus One, OnePlus 2, but that was flop. The OnePlus X was actually flop device, and it was also admitted by the CEO of OnePlus himself, because users still prefer OnePlus flagships, and this year OnePlus 8 is absolutely a value for money device to buy for those who want flagship in great price. Now if we talk about the OnePlus Nord series first smartphones specifications, then it is rumored that OnePlus Nord will have Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset with 5G support as well. Front camera setup includes 32 megapixel as a primary shooter and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle or maybe a depth sensor with a dual punch hole camera design, and a 5.8 inches large display with 90 Hz refresh rate, and a triple camera setup at the rear side. Battery may have a 4500 milliamps of capacity with 30 watts of fast charging. So that's what rumored specs claim. Do let me know what do you think about this new OnePlus Nord series, and subscribe to the channel for future tech updates, and I'll catch you in the next one.